Hey guys, how are you? This is Raw and Rustic Shoot. What we're gonna do today is chicken korma. And chicken korma, as we know, that's a garage setup. We've got some chicken breast, all the things which we have done. We've got some ginger, garlic, some green chilies, onions we're gonna cut, and then definitely we're gonna go on to our household thing, which is gonna be the tandoor, the Indian tandoor. And let's go. Let's begin with chopping some onions up, and we'll go as long. Alright, so now we know that's simmering hot because that's been going on for about last 20 minutes. We're gonna introduce some oil. Woo. Yeah, oil simmers down from the bottom. There we are. And so the oil is simmering, and now we're gonna put some chilies. There we go. So yeah, we can see some popping sounds. Yeah, and then we're gonna put some garlic. That's a bit burned off, and let's put some onions into it. Yep. And we're gonna cook the onions in there. Alright, so we have got our chicken breast chopped up, and that's the onions. Alright, so here we can see the onions have been caramelized to the point where we wanted them to be. There we go. Chicken goes into there, and now we're gonna cook the chicken along with the onions into it. That's gonna give the sugary caramelization, which is gonna come into the chicken as well, and it's gonna take about 8 to 10 minutes for the chicken to be cooked. Now we're gonna introduce some tomato sauce. There we go. Brilliant. Alright, so with the tomato sauce, the chicken's been cooked, and that's we have actually made some korma sauce. So basically that's onions, tomatoes and cashews blended together with some turmeric powder. And there we go. We're gonna put that in as well. That's probably the most rustic you can go to the Indian stuff. We're gonna let it simmer. So you would see the turmeric would change the color of the chicken along with the tomatoes being cooked inside. Alright, so we're gonna put some salt, maybe about 2 teaspoons, 2.5. We're gonna use the Garam Masala. That's gonna do wonders as well. So that I always prefer to add the Garam Masala once the things are on fire. Don't like to mix it before. Yeah, so there we are. We're gonna mix it well and simmer it. Let it simmer for about another 4 minutes, and then we're done. So that you can see the chicken korma color. That's the chicken korma with the breast.